An awesome morning, kids. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today we will do the revision of small letters A to Z. So take out your English workbook and open page number 3 and mention date and classwork at the top. Now let's start writing. Sharpen your pencil and write small letter A. So put your pencil here on the second line and draw curve. There's the third line. And now draw small standing line, joining the curve like this. Small letter A. Now write small letter B. Put your pencil on the first line, draw standing line and small curve. Now which letter comes after B? It's C. So write small letter C. Put your pencil near the second line and draw small curve like this. Small letter C. Now write small letter D. So put your pencil on the first line, draw a standing line, touch the third line and now draw a small curve like this. Small letter D. Now which letter comes after D? It's E. So write small letter E. Now put your pencil near the second line and draw a small sleeping line like this. And from here we will draw small curve like this. Small cursive E. Now write small cursive F. Put your pencil near the first line, draw curve, standing line, touch the third line and now draw a small sleeping line over it like this. Now write small letter G. So put your pencil on the second line, draw a small curve, touch the third line and now draw a standing line, moving towards the fourth line and turn. Small letter G. Now which letter comes after G? It's H. So put your pencil on the first line and draw standing line. Now from here we will draw small curve like this. Small letter H. Now which letter comes after H? It's I. So write small letter I. Draw a small standing line like this and put small dot over it. Small letter I. Now write small letter J. Put your pencil on the second line, draw standing line, moving towards the fourth line and turn and small dot over it. Small letter J. Now write small letter K. So put your pencil on the first line, draw a standing line and now between the second and third line, from here we will draw two small slanting line like this. Small letter K. Now write small letter L. So put your pencil here on the first line and draw a standing line like this. Small letter L. Now which letter comes after L? It's M. So write small letter M. Put your pencil here and draw standing line like this, moving up with the same line, curve, standing line again, just the third line, moving up with the same line, curve, and again standing line. Small letter M. Now which letter comes after M? It's N. So write small letter N. So put your pencil on the second line and draw a small standing line, moving up with the same line, and curve, and standing line. Small letter N. Now which letter comes after N? It's O. So write small letter O. Put your pencil on the second line, draw curve, again small curve and join them. Small letter O. Now write small letter P. So put your pencil on the second line and draw standing line, moving towards the fourth line, touch and small curve. Small letter P. Now which letter comes after P? It's Q. So write small letter Q. Put your pencil near the second line, draw a small curve like this, and now we will draw a standing line. Trace the curve moving towards the fourth line, and now from the fourth line we will moving up with slanting line like this. Small letter Q. Now which letter comes after Q? It's R. So put your pencil here on the second line. Now draw a standing line, moving up with the same line and curve. Small letter R. Now write small letter S. Just draw small curve, one more small curve in opposite direction like this. Small letter S. Now which letter comes after S? It's T. So put your pencil near the first line like this and draw a standing line and turn. Now draw a small sleeping line over it. Small letter T. Now which letter comes after T? It's U. So put your pencil on the second line and draw a standing line, curve, touch the third line, again curve and standing line, touch the second line. Small letter U. Now which letter comes after U? It's V. So write small letter V, draw a slanting line, touch the third line, again moving up with slanting line, touch the second line. Small letter V. Now which letter comes after V? It's W. So write small letter W. Put your pencil on the second line, draw slanting line, touch the third line, moving up with slanting line, again down with slanting line, touch the third line, again moving up with slanting line, touch the second line. Small letter W. Now which letter comes after W? It's X. So put the pencil on the second line, draw slanting line. Now one more slanting line like this. Small letter X. Now which letter comes after X? It's Y. So put your pencil on the second line, draw slanting line, and now draw long slanting line like this. Small letter Y. And now our last letter is Z. So put your pencil on the second line, draw sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Small letter Z. So kids, in this way you have to write small letters A to Z on pages 3 and 4 in your English workbook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.